let's go ahead now and continue assuming we have oxygen. So if we have oxygen, again, it's aerobic, and we will continue on to step number 2, which is the citric acid cycle. So let me draw the context here. So this is all the cell cytoplasm. So now we're actually going to be inside the mitochondria. So I'm going to draw this as the mitochondria. And you might recall that the mitochondria has actually 2 membranes. It has an outer membrane, which is the one I just drew, and it also has an inner membrane. Okay. So let's look at our citric acid cycle. All right, so step 2, citric acid cycle. All right, so we take the pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid is going to enter the mitochondria, and it's going to get converted through a series of reactions into first 2-acetyl-CoA, which then becomes 2 citric acid molecules, and that's why it's called the citric acid cycle. The citric acid molecule enters the cycle, citric acid cycle, and what we get out of the citric acid cycle is 6 NADH. So remember, that's more of the molecule that's carrying the electrons. Remember, the electrons are holding our energy. We also get 6 molecules of FADH2. You can think of FADH2 as very similar to NADH. It's just another form of carrying our electron, so another electron carrier. In addition, we get 2 ATP, so we gain a little more energy, and we get CO2. And this is where that carbon dioxide waste is. Remember, this is what we breathe out. All right. So what goes into the citric acid cycle is the 2 citric acids, which came from those 2 pyruvates. We'll also need to make the NADH and FADH2. We'll also keep in mind that we need to put in 6 NAD and 6 FADH. Those are going to give us the 6 NADH and the 6 FADH2, which, remember, our focus is that they're the electron carriers. And then we'll get out our 2 ATP and our carbon dioxide, which we breathe out.